from Vermont Sales. So today's product I'll be talking to you about is the Bessey Systainer clamp set. You get 4 toggle clamps, 2 annual clamps and 2 horizontal clamps included in the set. So I have my MFD table. The way Bessey designed this clamp, the toggle clamp especially, that I can use it in conjunction with the MFD table. So I've got a piece of material, so I'll just tighten it at the bottom of the table, and you see that's going to go nowhere. I can use the clamp, the handle clamp also as an accessory. I have the horizontal clamp if I'm using my dominant machine, for instance, if I'm putting motors on top, I can clamp that and I can work from the top. And if you go out to site, you want to clamp your material, so the Systainer allows you to do that. So you can see the clamp is already fastened on the inside. So I've got a piece of material that I want to cut. So it's clamped down. So this is an ideal product to have if you're working from home or if you're working on a site. So Bessey manufactures high quality steel clamps. They do a wide range of products, so please go on to our website www.vermontsales.co.za and you get all the information.